Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Quick Fix Credit Solutions, found at quickfixcreditsolutions.com. While I can't personally vouch for their services as I haven't used them directly, I want to provide you with some information based on their website and publicly available data so you can make your own informed decision. It's crucial to remember that credit repair is a complex process, and results can vary significantly depending on individual circumstances. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always advisable to thoroughly research any credit repair company before committing to their services. Look for reviews, testimonials, and any information about their background and experience. Check with the Better Business Bureau and your state's Attorney General's office for any complaints or legal actions against them. This due diligence can save you time, money, and potential frustration down the line. Remember, no company can guarantee the deletion of accurate negative information from your credit report. Credit repair is about addressing inaccuracies and potentially disputing negative marks that are incorrect or unverifiable. It's a process that takes time and effort, and it's essential to have realistic expectations. When considering a credit repair service, ask yourself some key questions. What specific services do they offer? How do they communicate with their clients? What are their fees and payment structure? And most importantly, do they provide clear and transparent information about their process and what you can realistically expect? Understanding your credit report is a fundamental step in improving your credit score. Review your report carefully for any errors or inaccuracies, and be prepared to provide documentation to support any disputes you make. You have the right to dispute inaccurate information on your credit report, and you can do this yourself without the help of a credit repair company. Credit repair is a journey, not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and a proactive approach. By being informed and taking the time to research your options, you can make the best decisions for your financial future. Remember, if a credit repair company promises unrealistic results or pressures you into signing a contract, it's a major red flag. Always proceed with caution and prioritize protecting your financial well-being.